suppose this is the token that you want to trend on Dextools. So this is this will simply load this token on a number of browsers using Puppeteer automation system on Node.js. And the Dextools offers only 3-4 different functions that you can actually invoke for trending your tokens. So views is definitely one of the things. So it will open the token on a number of browsers that will definitely help in the trending. Other than that, there's a favorite button. It clicks on the favorite button automatically or on the browsers that it loads. So it will hit the favorite button so that it can be registered as a favorite token. And after that, it clicks on the share button also, and then it clicks on the Twitter button. Sharing is not required. It's just it's just opening that this window is what matters, from what we have learned on while working on Dextools. So it just clicks on the Twitter button, and after that it closes it. So that's what it does. After that, after everything is done, it just clicks on the trade button, and it opens the uniswap.org website where it can be traded. It doesn't definitely trade the tokens. It just clicks on that button and opens this page just for for increasing the activity on that token page so that it can start trending as soon as possible. So yeah, after this I'll just show it. So this file comes with only this there's a simple zip file. You can just extract it into a folder, and after that these are the files that you'll find there. One is dextools.exe. This is the main executable file that you'll need to run. This is the proxies.txt, and this is the settings.txt file. So if you see, there are only 3 settings in the settings.txt file. First line is the URL of the token that you need to supply. Second is the number of threads that you want to launch at a time. So you can set it to 1 or 10 or 5 or whatever number your computer allows, or based on your RAM and the muscle power of your computer. And third is a yes/no field. I'll tell more about it after after a little while. And the second file you'll see is a proxies.txt file. Here you can just provide your list of proxies. Proxies are important here because if you send all the views from a single IP, it doesn't really work very well on Dextools from what we have seen. So providing a list of proxies is very important. It just uses these proxies randomly for each of the session that it launches. So yeah, after this point I'll just go ahead and double click on this button, and it will open the browser. It will open dextools.io, that same URL that we have supplied there. And once the page loads, it will click on all the 4 buttons one after. The first, it will click the favorite button. So it's clicked on the favorite, then it clicked on the share button. After this point, it will just close this thing, and finally it will click on that trading button. So yeah, so this is what it does. And you can if you want to run multiple threads, you can just increase this number. Let's say I'll do 4 here for further demonstration purpose. And when I click it now, it will open 4 different browsers, and it will use random proxies, and it will just open that same token on 4 different browsers and do all the 4 actions. The last setting that you'll see here. So if you open the settings file, this is a yes/no field. So as you've seen, when you launch this software, it just opens this URL on 5, 6 or 10 different browsers, whatever number you set here, and then after that it stops. However, if you set it to yes, then what it will do is it will actually load these browsers every 1 minute. So it will load 4 browsers, perform all those all those actions using the random proxies that it has loaded into the software, and it will stop after that. After 1 year, it will again launch 4 different browsers, and it will keep doing it indefinitely. And you can just keep it running on your system, and after a while you'll see that your token just might start running on Dextools. So yeah, thanks a lot for watching this video.